Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Add Yours sticker on WhatsApp on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Then locate and click on Update. Choose your WhatsApp status by scrolling down the page and then select your view right. Once you selected it like this, go ahead and click on the sticker icon. Then you should say Add Yours, time, location, and photo. You can add photo again. Then click on Add Yours. So just type the topic. Once you type the topic, go ahead and click on Done at the top left. And then you should say Add Yours. Then click on Send. Now, if you go back to your WhatsApp status and whoever click on Add Yours will be able to respond to your WhatsApp status by using photo or video, and that is it. So that is exactly how to use the Add Yours stickers on WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.